Welcome back to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and we are here to break down today's market action. Before we jump in, a quick shout out to our sponsor, Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals and stock recommendations. Let's get right into the action. It has been a wild day for semiconductor and space-related stocks. Micron is leading the pack, surging nearly 20%. The massive move follows a major upgrade from UBS, which nearly tripled its price target, citing Micron's critical role in the AI infrastructure build-out as memory supply remains extremely tight. ASTS Space Mobile is also catching fire, jumping over 13%. The momentum is fueled by a proposed direct-to-device satellite joint venture between major carriers, which investors see as a massive validation for the company's technology. Then we have Redwire, climbing 26%. While the company has its own solid contract news regarding military drones, it is also riding a strong wave of sector-wide enthusiasm ahead of the highly anticipated SpaceX IPO. Qualcomm is also in focus, up 4.5% on reports of a new multi-million unit AI chip order from ByteDance, marking a significant entry for the company into the AI accelerator market. Finally, advanced micro devices gained nearly 8% today, boosted by comments from NVIDIA's CEO regarding the massive growth potential for CPUs in the agentic AI era. Turning to the broader market, stocks finished the day in positive territory. The S&P 500 gained 0.6%, the Nasdaq added 1.1%, and the Dow hovered near flat. The driving force today was a continued appetite for risk in the technology sector, supported by optimism regarding diplomatic efforts in the Middle East and a strong setup for AI-related infrastructure spending. While early trading saw some volatility, the late-day trend remained firmly bullish as investors piled into the chip space. In the AI economy, the narrative is shifting from just GPUs to the broader infrastructure needed to power agentic AI. NVIDIA remains the benchmark, but today's action shows that the ecosystem is expanding. We are seeing massive demand for memory, with Micron reaching $1 trillion market cap, and a clear push for specialized AI chips from companies like Qualcomm and Advanced Micro Devices. The infrastructure build-out is moving beyond data centers into edge devices and industrial systems, keeping capital expenditure trends very high. Looking at other stocks in focus, we saw significant activity in the defense and industrial space. Many of these companies are benefiting from the same AI-driven infrastructure tailwinds and increased global defense spending, which has created a strong backdrop for names in the aerospace and advanced manufacturing sectors. On the earnings front, we had a busy day. Zscaler reported strong third-quarter results, beating earnings estimates with $1.08 per share, and raising its full-year guidance, which sent the stock up over 1%. Elbit Systems also had a standout day, surging 11% after reporting a record backlog exceeding $30 billion and a new $1.4 billion European contract. Modine Manufacturing jumped over 13% as the company reported record revenue and earnings, driven heavily by its data center cooling business. On the flip side, AutoZone fell 9% despite beating earnings expectations, as investors reacted to a slight revenue miss and concerns over gross margin pressure. Trip.com also saw a modest gain of 2% following its results. To wrap things up, today was defined by the relentless rally in AI-linked semiconductors and a strong earnings season for companies with exposure to data center growth. From Micron's massive run to Zscaler and Elbit Systems' strong reports, the market is clearly rewarding companies that can deliver on the AI infrastructure promise. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if there is a specific stock or sector you want us to cover next. For stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai. Thanks for tuning in to Finpod.